First up, we have your audio volume. This is the overall volume of your DeepTech Vista machine. This is your sensitivity. The greater sensitivity used will allow you to find the minuscule, tinier items in the ground. Also give you the best opportunity to grab the deeper targets. But you need to bear in mind, the higher the sensitivity you run, the more unstable the machine may become if EMI is present in your area. So always keep the sensitivity to a nice, good level so the machine is running stable. This is your iron discrimination. The higher you have this set, the more of the iron you will discriminate. In some cases you can knock out small foil, but it is mainly an iron discrimination. You really want this set as low as possible in order to maximize the performance of your DeepTech machine. This is your Coke check button. This allows you to distinguish what is Coke and what is a good target. So whilst you're sweeping in the field and you come across a target, if you press and hold this button and it emits a low tone, the high chance, depending on where your disc is set, it's Coke. Whilst holding this button and checking the target, it emits a high tone, then it's a good target, so worth investigating. This is your ground balance dial. This is used to eliminate minerals in the soil. So you need to raise your coil up and down to the ground from about 1 inch to 9 inch in a steady motion and listen for the audio change. In two-tone mode, you need to listen for the point between a high tone and a low tone. Once you have reached that point, you have ground balanced your machine. So now we move on to the toggle switch, which is in the central position of the faceplate. So we have reject, all metal and discrimination. So when the toggle switch is in the discrimination position off to the right, we are in two-tone mode. Now all iron targets will emit a low tone and all good targets will emit a high tone. When the toggle switch is in the middle position, we are in all metal. So good targets and iron targets will all be the same and all emit a high tone. When we're in rejection mode, we're in single tone. Now all your iron targets will emit zero audio, but your good targets will still emit a high tone.